Today is day 11 of 30, sharing information that you should know if you've been diagnosed with fatty liver or cirrhosis. So the last 2 days I explained what a Mediterranean diet is and how that helps to reverse metabolic liver disease. So today I'm going to talk a little bit about some of the common mistakes that people make when they're trying to change their diet or their lifestyle to reverse fatty liver disease, but they're kind of doing their own things. First, one of the most common mistakes that people make is they add olive oil to their diet without making any other changes. Yes, olive oil is a healthy fat, and it's often encouraged in the Mediterranean diet, but doing that and that alone as a change is unlikely to do much as far as reversing fatty liver disease if it's the only change you've made. In fact, cooking with more olive oil and using lots of oil and not making any other changes might actually make it harder to reverse fatty liver disease because you're just increasing the number of calories you're eating. Another common mistake that people make is they cut out foods like whole grains, fruits, or sweet potatoes because they think they shouldn't eat them since they're high in carbohydrate. In reality, it's the carbs like white flour, pastries, French fries, chips, and fruit juice that we need to be cutting out because they're so low in fiber and high in calorie that they're not going to help. Removing wholesome, high-fiber carbohydrates from your diet is likely going to leave you feeling lethargic and really hungry, making it 10 times harder to actually stick to a healthy diet. And lastly, it's fairly common for people to make the mistake of buying packaged snacks at the grocery store because they think they're making a healthy choice since the front of the package says something like keto or low carb. But they fail to check the back of the package nutrition label to see how much fiber, protein, and fat and total calories are in it. Packaged keto products tend to be really high in saturated fat and therefore calorie dense, which is only going to stall your attempts at reversing metabolic liver disease. Instead of choosing keto or low carb products, select things like fresh fruits and vegetables, whole grains, or low fat dairy at snack times. Hit the like and follow button to catch tomorrow's information on liver disease and nutrition.